Love Paneer Tikka, but trying to eat light? This is for you. Welcome back to my channel. We are transferring that delicious flavor into a high-protein meal that takes less than 15 minutes to make. Let's start with the cubes first. Take about 150 grams paneer. Paneer is your powerhouse, protein source, essential for satiety and building muscle. Now for the tikka marinade. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons thick, low-fat curd, which is rich in probiotics. Next, the essential flavor boosters. A teaspoon of cumin seed powder, black pepper powder, salt, red chili powder, aromatic garam masala powder. Add a splash of lemon juice for tanginess. Lemon also helps the curd tenderize the paneer slightly. Mix it well. Oops, almost forgot the star antioxidant for that. Beautiful golden color and anti-inflammatory boost turmeric powder. Add your paneer cubes. Ensure every piece is well coated. Let this rest for just 5 minutes while we prepare our pan. We are skipping the deep frying to keep this heart healthy. Heat the pan with just a teaspoon of oil. We want to roast, not fry. Place the paneer cubes in the pan. Cook them until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust on all sides. Once perfectly roasted, set them aside. Look how they look. And we have saved hundreds of calories just by using this lean cooking method. Hit the like button if you're enjoying this healthy version of tikka. Now the crucial part is the salad foundation. This is where we maximize volume, fiber, and micronutrients. I have taken crunchy cucumber, juicy tomato, sweet yellow bell pepper, small amount of sliced onion, capsicum. The variety of colors means a variety of disease-fighting antioxidants. Transfer all these fresh sliced vegetables into a bowl. To enhance the flavor profile and avoid heavy dressing, we are using simple herbs, a dash of oregano, a pinch of dried parsley, dried basil, and black pepper. These herbs add complexity without adding empty calories. Give it a gentle mix. Now comment below and tell me your favorite salad vegetable. We need a refreshing dressing. A traditional mint and coriander chutney is the best choice. Blend fresh coriander leaves. Mint leaves, great for digestion. A little cumin seed powder and salt to taste. This is our tangy, low-calorie, vitamin-rich dressing. Finally, assembly. Start with a dollop of thick hung curd on your plate and swirl in a spoonful of our fresh coriander chutney, lemon juice, and chili flakes. This creamy, tangy base is delicious and packed with probiotics. Next, add a layer of vegetables. And finally, those perfectly roasted protein-rich paneer tikka cubes. This paneer tikka salad hits all the marks. Lean protein, healthy fats from the curd, and high fiber from the vegetables. It's light, yet incredibly filling. If you'd like to implement healthy and tasty recipes in your daily routine, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and share it with a friend.